What sound are we learning today? This is the letter P, and it makes the P sound. P, P, P. P, 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 P. P, P, P is for pay. P, P, P is for pumpkin. P, P, P is for pull. P. Can you hear the P sound in these words? Listen carefully. Pizza, flowers, dolphins. Which word had the P sound in it? That's right, pizza. P, P is for pizza. Blending Bot is trying to say some words. He's sounding them out, but he needs help with blending to say the word. Let's help him. P, O, T. And we're going to blend it together to help Blending Bot read it. Pot. P, I, N. Pin. P, A, T. Pat. P, I, T. Pit. P, O, P. Pop. Well done, children. You have done a fantastic job today learning the P sound. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson.